Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to bring a smile to your face: laughter. Laughter is something we all experience, but have you ever stopped to think about why we laugh and what it does for us? Well, you're in for a treat, because we're going to uncover some fascinating facts about laughter and its incredible benefits. Did you know that laughter is not just a response to something funny? It's actually a complex reaction that involves many parts of our brain and body. When we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, which are chemicals that make us feel good. This is why we often feel a sense of euphoria after a good laugh. It can actually be a powerful tool for our health. Studies have shown that laughter can reduce stress, boost our immune system, and even relieve pain. When we laugh, our body produces natural painkillers, which can help alleviate discomfort. Plus, laughter increases our heart rate and blood circulation, giving us a mini workout. So, let's explore the health benefits of humor and why you should laugh more often. Laughter can also improve our mental health by reducing anxiety and depression. It helps us connect with others, strengthening our social bonds and creating a sense of community. In fact, laughing with friends or loved ones can be one of the most effective ways to enhance our overall well-being. So, next time you find yourself feeling down or stressed, try watching a funny movie, reading a humorous book, or simply spending time with people who make you laugh. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. And don't forget, laughter is contagious. When you laugh, you inspire others to laugh too, creating a ripple effect of joy and positivity. Laughter is truly a universal language that transcends barriers and brings people together. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve our quality of life. So, let's make a conscious effort to laugh more and spread joy wherever we go. Remember, a day without laughter is a day wasted. First off, let's talk about what happens in our bodies when we laugh. When you laugh, your brain releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. This can create a sense of well-being and even temporarily relieve pain. And don't forget, laughter also helps us connect with others. Plus, laughter lowers levels of stress hormones, helping you feel more relaxed. Not only that, but laughter can also boost your immune system. Studies show that it increases the production of antibodies and activates immune cells. It's amazing how something as simple as laughter can have such a profound impact on our health, making your body better equipped to fight off illnesses. But laughter isn't just good for your body, it's great for your mind too. Humor can help reduce anxiety and depression. It's amazing how a good laugh can lift your spirits. It encourages a more positive outlook on life, making it easier to cope with challenges. Humor helps us gain perspective on difficult situations. It allows us to distance ourselves from stressors and see them in a lighter way. It's amazing how a good laugh can make everything seem more manageable. Laughter also strengthens social bonds. Sharing a laugh with friends or family creates a sense of connection and can even resolve conflicts. It's amazing how laughter can bring people together. It breaks down barriers and fosters teamwork. Whenever we're feeling down, we just crack a joke and it brings us all back together. Laughter really is the best medicine for our group. So, how can you bring more laughter into your life? Laughter is such a powerful tool for improving our mood and overall well-being. It can help us connect with others, reduce stress, and even boost our immune system. But in our busy lives, we often forget to make time for it. So, let's explore some ways to incorporate more laughter into our daily routines. Here are a few simple tips. Whether it's movies, TV shows, or even YouTube clips, there are countless sources of humor out there. Start by identifying what kind of comedy you enjoy the most. Is it slapstick, witty banter, or maybe dark humor? Once you know what tickles your funny bone, make it a point to watch something funny every day. Stand-up or funny videos. The options are endless. You can attend live comedy shows or watch stand-up specials on streaming platforms. There are also plenty of funny videos online that can give you a quick laugh. Share these videos with friends and family to spread the joy. Laughter is contagious, and sharing a funny moment can strengthen your relationships. Find what makes you laugh. It could be a funny podcast, a humorous book, or even a comic strip. The key is to make laughter a regular part of your life. Don't wait for special occasions to laugh. Find humor in everyday situations. Sometimes, just taking a moment to see the lighter side of things can make a big difference. Surround yourself with friends who have a good sense of humor. Yes, it's a thing. Having a social circle that appreciates and shares your sense of humor can make a huge difference. Plan regular get-togethers where you can relax and have fun. Play games, tell jokes, or just reminisce about funny memories. The more you laugh together, the closer you'll become. Check it out for a fun way to get your giggles in. You can also join clubs or groups that focus on humor, like improv classes or comedy workshops. These activities not only provide a good laugh, but also help you develop new skills and meet like-minded people. Plus, stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new can be a great confidence booster. Sometimes, reflecting on the lighter side of life can spark a chuckle. Look back at old photos, watch home videos, or read through funny messages from friends. Nostalgia can be a powerful source of laughter. It reminds us of happy times and can instantly lift our spirits. So take a trip down memory lane whenever you need a good laugh, and don't forget to laugh at yourself sometimes. Embrace your quirks and imperfections. It's all part of the human experience. Remember, laughter is a natural part of being human. It's a universal language that brings us closer together. So make it a priority to laugh every day. Whether you're alone or with others, find moments of joy and let yourself laugh out loud. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Remember, laughter is truly the best medicine. It has the power to bring people together, to heal emotional wounds, and to create unforgettable memories. When we laugh, we release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These endorphins promote an overall sense of well-being and can even temporarily relieve pain. Laughter also reduces stress hormones and increases immune cells and infection-fighting antibodies, thus improving our resistance to disease. It's a universal language that transcends barriers and connects us all. It's free, it's easy, and it doesn't have any side effects, except maybe sore cheeks. Whether you're sharing a joke with friends, watching a funny movie, or just reminiscing about a hilarious moment, laughter is always there to lift your spirits. It's a simple yet powerful tool that we all have access to, and it can make a world of difference in our daily lives. So don't hold back, let those giggles and guffaws out. So go ahead and share a laugh today. Spread joy and positivity wherever you go. Whether it's a small chuckle or a full-blown belly laugh, every bit of laughter counts. It not only brightens your day, but also the days of those around you. Remember, laughter is contagious, and by sharing it, you're contributing to a happier, healthier world. So make it a point to find humor in everyday situations and cherish those moments of joy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more feel-good content. We love bringing smiles to your faces and sharing moments of happiness with you. Your support helps us continue to create content that spreads joy and laughter. So, stay connected with us and be a part of our happy community. We appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. It means the world to us. Share your favorite jokes in the comments below. We love hearing from you and can't wait to read your hilarious contributions. Your jokes not only make us laugh, but also bring joy to everyone who reads them. So don't be shy. Let your humor shine and spread the laughter. Who knows, your joke might just be the highlight of someone's day. And remember, laughter is a gift we can give to ourselves and others every day. So, keep those smiles coming. Until next time, keep smiling and laughing. Life is too short to be taken too seriously, so embrace the lighter side and enjoy every moment. We look forward to sharing more laughs with you in our next video. Stay happy. Stay positive, and remember to always find reasons to smile. Goodbye for now, and see you soon. Remember, laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is good for your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.